Hello, and welcome to our ultimate Valentine's Day gift guide. Whether you're shopping for your partner, family, or friends, we've got you covered with a wide array of thoughtful and creative gift ideas. From tech gadgets for the men, to beauty essentials for the women, and fun toys for the kids, there's something for everyone. We believe that giving is all about the sentiment behind it and the joy it brings, so stay tuned for some heartwarming gift-giving stories and wishes too. If you enjoy our content and want to see more, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Now, without further ado, let's dive right into our first category: gift ideas for men. First up, gifts for the men in your life. For the tech-savvy, consider a smartwatch or wireless earbuds. If he's a bookworm, how about a first edition of his favorite novel? For the culinary enthusiast, a gourmet spice set or a personalized cutting board could be just the ticket. Next, let's turn our attention to the wonderful women in our lives. For the fashion-forward, consider a chic scarf or a pair of elegant earrings. If she has a green thumb, a rare houseplant, or a set of organic gardening tools could be perfect. For those who love a little self-care, a spa day gift box or a personalized skincare set would surely be appreciated. Now, on to the little ones. For the budding artist, an art set or a DIY craft kit can spark their creativity. For the book-loving child, a collection of classic children's books or a personalized storybook would be a hit. And for the adventurous, a backyard explorer kit or a stargazing telescope could provide hours of fun. Gift-giving is not just about the material goods, but the thought and care that you put into choosing something special. It's about celebrating your loved ones and showing them how much they mean to you. This Valentine's Day, remember that it's not the size or price of the gift that matters, but the sentiment behind it. It's about finding something that speaks to their interests and hobbies, something that says, I know you, I appreciate you, and I love you. So as you celebrate this day of love, remember the joy that comes from giving. From the excitement of finding the perfect gift to the happiness of seeing their reaction, there's truly nothing like it. And that's it for our Valentine's Day gift guide. We hope you found the perfect gift for your loved ones or even a little inspiration to get you started. We appreciate you taking the time to watch this video and hope it's been helpful. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this guide with your friends who might need a little help finding the perfect gift. Here's wishing everyone a happy Valentine's Day filled with love and joy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep spreading the love. Happy Valentine's Day, and may your day be filled with love, laughter, and thoughtful gifts.